What's up everybody? In today's video, I want to look at how to make this masking technique that I used in this design. So it's very easy to do, so let's dive right into it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful at the end, please hit the like button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to create a new document. We're using the Instagram portrait size, which is 350. Just hit Control N, just create 1080 by 350. Click everything, let everything else remain the same. And we are here. So the first thing is to bring in our talent or our model. Let's just drag it into Photoshop. Okay, thanks to Alex, this from Unsplash. Okay, so we are going to take the shape tool, the rectangle tool, and we're going to draw rectangles. Okay, and we're going to round off the edges. Okay, let's paint this any color so that we can see what we're drawing. Okay, we're going to draw random shapes. Okay, not random, just random rectangular shapes. Okay, always round off the edges. We're going to draw another one. Okay, just round off the edges. Okay, I think we should draw one more last one. I don't think this one will be showing, but let's just draw it. We'll never know how it's going to look like. Okay, it may not look like the initial one that I've shown you, but let's just draw it like this. So we have all these shapes. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to make sure that they are equal. So we're going to select all these and hold down the shift key and go and select the last one. Okay, then come to the alignment tool and just align. No, is this one? Okay, it's going to make them to be equal. Okay, so once you're done like this, all you need to do is to rotate it. Let's rotate it something like this, and let's just position it, and let's reduce the size so that we can have some, and make sure that the face is avoided. Okay, avoid the face. So what we'll do now, in order to give some space, because I want our face to show, okay, I don't want to cover our face, let's just delete this one, delete, and let's adjust this one. Okay, hold down the shift key so that your hand is straight, so they can move straight down. Then we can use the shift key, just kind of move it, shift plus the left arrow, because I want this to be precise. Okay, once you're done like this, I think this is okay. Just drag this one so that we can have some cut over our head like this. So we're going to take this and we're going to increase it in size. Just drag. Okay, and let's just round off these edges more. Okay, so we have something like this. Okay, the equal spacing that I've done before has been destroyed. Okay, so it doesn't matter here. Okay, it doesn't. Just make sure that what you're creating, let's go to the shape tool. Okay, one thing you need to understand is when you are in the move tool, okay, and you are resizing, it's going to resize all the whole size. But if you come back to the shape tool, that is the rectangular tool, these edges are going to come out and you can just adjust it like this. Okay, without you trying to resize the whole thing. Okay, you have to use this for specific resizing, and that's going to help you a lot. So now that we are done with this, we are going to select all this shape and we are going to group them. Select all and Ctrl G, and we are going to change the colors to white. Let's select each. Let's select all and just group. Okay, make sure they are white. So we're going to take this layer now, this lady, and put it to the top. Okay, and now once it's at the top, we're going to group it. We are going to clip it to this group. Hold the Alt key and just group the clipping mask. Okay, now we have it, but our face is covered because this is a negative space, and that is the error that I've made. So what we do now is to probably adjust all these shapes so that they fall in a way that you have a face showing. So we're just going to adjust all these, and let's just see how it goes. Okay, so we're going to take this one, we're going to take this, let's take this one. Okay, let's lock her so that we don't touch her at all. Let's take this one and just move it down. Okay, and let's go and think I'm liking this effect. Let's come here, let's go to the shape tool because I want to extend it so that it can show the shoulder a bit. Okay, so that's it. I think we are good here, but I don't like the way her leg is showing. Okay, I want it to have a round off edge here, so let's look a way we can do away with that. So we have this space that's too much here, so we can drag this one like this so that we can have this curving out the remaining part, so we can have this part here to place our text. And I don't like the way her head is just showing. Let's go to the shape tool. I want another one to be here at the top, okay, so that we can at least have some. The only problem is that we may want to let's keep adjusting, okay, and take the tool and just have a leak into our eyes. I think that's nice. Then this one, let's take the tool again, the rectangular tool. I think let's increase this one so that we'll have more sway and just round off the edges. Okay, the round off here is never doing much, but it actually okay. So we have this, and let's just duplicate this layer. Oh, Ctrl Z. Let's Ctrl J to duplicate this layer, this very one, and then just move it this way, okay, because I want it to have this edge. Okay, you can actually just leave it like that. So we have this. Okay, my problem now is that they are not equal, and I don't like that. So we're going to select all, and let's just see if we can work that out. Okay, let's choose this first. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, let's choose this one. I think we are having an issue with this one here. Okay, now Photoshop is confused because this is slanted. It doesn't know how to actually make it equal because the anchor points are all in the middle, and how is it going to just work that out? And I think okay, Photoshop is already having an issue, so we're just going to manually adjust this. So let's just see if we can guess the centers, so I have this equal spacing. Okay, so let's just push this one a little bit further. Let's push this one a little bit downward. Okay, let's just see how we can. Okay, I think one of the way that I can actually make sure that they are equal is to come to the shape tool, come to the rectangular tool, and this is one of the techniques that I use most times when it comes to making sure that shapes are equal. So just watch me, it's going to take a while. So after drawing this down, all you need to do is to rotate it. Okay, so I'm going to take the first appropriate step in making sure that it aligns with this line, okay, to make sure that it's straight. So go to your shape tool, your move tool, and just align it. Okay, align it. So this is going to be the measuring tool. Let's go to the shape tool and just drag it. So this is going to be your yardstick, okay, for every of those ones. Okay, now that you have this one, so you can just quickly drag. Okay, drag, and now you cannot take this one and say, okay guy, you have to come down a little bit. Okay, so with this one now you'll be able to achieve equal spacing between. Okay, let's still drag this one down because it's not touching that edge here. So you come back here and just adjust, use your arrow tool. Okay, this is how you do some measuring tool. Okay, now that you're done with this guy, you can delete it. You can say bye bye, I don't want you anymore. That's so bad and sad. Okay, now that you have all this, you have it masked out. So the background is one thing that you can do to improve the work. So you can create a solid background like I just did, then drag it all the way to the bottom, and now we have it. So you can just write the text here to make sure it's nice, just like the way I did in this one. This is the first one. So you can just Control C on this one, Control. Okay, you can just type anything there. I just want to take shortcut, Control V. Okay. Yeah. So that is what we have. I didn't just press Ctrl V, I pressed Ctrl Shift V, okay, so that it can paste in place, so that the exact position that this one was is still where it's going to paste here. Okay, so these are masking technique. The first thing you can do is to actually build the shape, then take the image and mask it to it. Okay, what about, let's say you want to change the background of these colors. Okay, it's very easy to do too. All you just need to do to change the color of the shape. I don't think this is gonna be beautiful, but let's try. Let's make it yellow. Kind of working out. I don't like it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. And today is my day 17 of teaching what I know as a graphic designer, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.